Hello everyone, I'm hoping you can see I've had to rig up a little table sort of thing to do this video. So this is a box opening of 4 partial silicone kits made by Bountiful Baby. I'm going to open them. When you're opening boxes, especially with silicone kits, you need to do it really carefully because you don't want to cut the kit. I'm not putting the scissors in very far. I've also chosen scissors with a rounded end so that they shouldn't hurt the kits. Let's push the end in a little bit to loosen the tape. These little guys have been sitting here for about a week maybe, waiting for me to open them. But I've had the West Australia Reborn Doll Show to prepare for, which was 2 days ago. So it's now time to open them. I'm going to lift the lid away from the box. Just like that. So these babies will not be available. They are for custom order. Here we go. We have the bodies. All 4 of them. And the certificates that Bountiful Baby does with their babies. These kits are the Sylvia, and it's both awake and asleep kits. So let's have a look. So this one is the sleeping Sylvia. Let's get her out. Oh, she's cute. Very cute. And then her limbs. Be very careful because I can't put them down at this point. It's the arms. These kits are made from 3D imaging of real babies, just like all of Bountiful Baby's real born kits. So they are highly detailed and very cute. They're also a very soft silicone, which is amazing. We have the other leg. And the other arm. This is the other arm. Such cute little hands. So cute. Let's put her back in. So with Sylvia, I will be opening her mouth so she can take a bottle and a dummy. A pacifier if you're from America. So that is sleeping Sylvia. Get her out. And then this one is also sleeping Sylvia. They're exactly the same. Please don't fall off the table. And then this one will be, whoops, the awake Sylvia. So let's open her up. So there are 2 of each, but I'm only opening 1 of each for this video. Open this Sylvia. Oh, she's double bagged. All right, Miss Sylvia. And this is the awake Sylvia. They're so cute. So cute. And I'll get the sleeping Sylvia head out and compare them for you. There we go. So as you can see, their facial expressions are different, but they are so cute, and they're both made from 3D imaging of the same baby. Obviously this one needs eyes, but yes, cute little bubba bubbas. I don't want to get them mixed up. I'm pretty sure the limbs are identical for both kits. They do need a really good scrub because when you receive a silicone kit, you do have to, just like with vinyl, give them a really good bath to get any factory stuff off them. Put all the bodies back in, and certificates, and then we'll move this box to the side. Just gonna quickly open another package off camera because I couldn't cover up the address on this one. So here we go. Let's pull it out. And this is the rings for the babies. People love sticky tape. Sticky tape is one of my arch nemesis, I think. We have lots of rings to go on the neck and limbs, which helps the limbs and the head rotate easily in the body. And then we have eyes. These are little eyes. Let's open. Oh, super cute. These are a bluish color. They're very, very cute. Let's see what the other color is. Having a bit of a technical issue opening them, and I did it upside down. Oh, and these are a green. There you go. So I will be starting these babies very soon, quite possibly this week, or it could possibly be next week. But keep an eye out. I will post progress pictures, but they will not be for sale. I have also made a rather large order with Bountiful Baby, and I will do a video of opening that when it arrives. So I have quite a few kits coming from there, and I have a kit coming from City of Reborn Angels here in Australia. So yeah, I have 5 custom orders to do. Now, just so you guys are aware, I don't often do custom orders, and these ones are what I call specialized customs. So the person I'm making them for has chosen the kit and the hair color, and I do absolutely everything else. So I've got complete artistic freedom. I also have these babies available: Laura by Bonnie Brown, Levi by Bonnie Brown, Twyla by Laura Lee Eagles, and Annie by Lily Gold. Please send me a message if you are interested. Thank you.